I'm Barb Green from the Daily Bake, and here is your daily bake tip. Have you ever wondered how to keep your bread from sticking in the bottom of the pan? I am going to show you a new trick on how to keep your bread from sticking using parchment paper. So I just want to show you first, this is how easy it is to release your bread when it does come out of the oven. You just pull it out. And all we did was make a few little cuts. So let me show you how to do this using parchment paper. So I use pre-cut sheets. They are so much easier. You just pull it out and you're ready to go. I would not recommend this. When you pull this out, it curls up and it's really awful to work with. So I highly recommend you try the pre-cut sheets. And then this is really super simple. It goes this way. You just want to pull this up to the edges of the pan, and then I kind of just make a little crease there, here and here. Then you take a pair of scissors and you cut to the corner on both sides. You're just cutting to the corner of the pan. You make a few simple folds. You're going to thank me for this. Then you simply pick up the edges, do the same thing over here, and we're back to where we were in the beginning of the video. There you have it, the easiest release method for bread. So here's how this works. Pour your batter into the pan, right into the parchment paper. Put it in the oven at the temperature that your recipe calls for. Let it cool on the counter for 15 to 20 minutes. And voila, look how easy that was. And there's no flour or extra butter or anything. It's just nice and clean. Enjoy. So give this a try. Check out my bread playlist, and I hope to see you there.